It's Eldon here, and today I wanted to talk to you about success and is perfection holding you back from getting the results that you want. See, we all have ideas in our mind about what it is that we want, and it's often something that's way beyond our reach, and we don't exactly know how to do it or how to get there, but we have this idea. And so often it's also the cause of us not wanting to take that first step and move forward with that idea because we don't know the steps that we need to take in order to get there. And so often, even as little kids, I'm not sure where this comes from, but we hold ourselves back and we tell ourselves, no, I can't do that, I can't do this, I'm not a good drawer, or I can only draw a stick man, something like that. Now, Earl Nightingale talks about success being the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. And if you continue to move towards the goal that you have in your mind, regardless of the results that you have right now, you will ultimately see the rewards of your efforts. Because it's through those little mistakes that we make along the way that allow us to learn what it is that we needed to learn to get to where we needed to go. And I have made an awful lot of mistakes. As you can see right here, I've been working on my throne. I'm out here at my campground with my wife, and we love coming out here and just relaxing. And I get to work on this maybe once a week or so, and I do a little bit here and there. And I know that I've made a lot of mistakes in this. And the picture that I have in my mind isn't even close to what I have in the wood here. And this is going to be permanent. I can't go back and change what has been removed. But I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that because I know that as I do more of this, I will get better, and it's going to be what it is. And I'm willing to accept that. So I encourage you guys to keep moving forward with whatever it is that you are struggling with, or maybe you're even holding yourself back from stepping into something unknown because you have an idea in your mind of something that's beyond your reach. So how could I ever achieve that? And I just want to encourage you to move forward with that idea and to progressively realize what it is that you truly want and desire. So we're out here at our campground, and we run an online business. And if you would like to learn how to do this, relaxing and still earning money online, just click the link that's down below here, and it'll take you to a workshop where you can learn how to do that stuff. And you'll know right away if it's right for you or not. But the biggest thing is to take that first step and to know that if you do make a mistake, there's always someone there that can help you and to encourage you and to give you the guidance that you need to do what it is that you want to achieve. So with that, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a comment below, please, if you did like it, and I'll talk to you later.